Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get all the 4 badges in the new update on 3D Spunki RP and animations. So here you're just going to go to the right first and play. This is where you can get the badge for the shadow one. Basically, kind of just need to wait for the for the mini game to start. I'm not going to play the game, however, it's just pretty basic. You just have to kind of run away from Wenda, and then you'll just get into the truck, and then you'll get the badge then. Then the second one, you will need to go to the, let's run, Spunki World. Okay, and then you need to turn left, and then you'll need to just follow my lead. Then you'll need to go down here to the train station, go here, and it's behind the box. There we go, got the badge. Another boring Simon. Wait, I need to go up. What am I doing? Then we are going to go back to where we spawned, but we're going to go through this tunnel. So we spawned here, we're going to go right instead of left. We're going to go to the pyramidized world. Okay, I don't remember which house it is. I think it's the second one, and then the second door, and then we're going to teleport here. Then I'm just going to walk, I think this way. I don't remember. It was behind a tree. So is it behind this tree? Oh, it's behind this tree, and it's over here. As you can see, kind of just get close to it. The last one, to be honest, I don't know where it is exactly. But I think it's somewhere in the mini games, I think. Well, there's one somewhere where you have to do a little game, which I'm not going to do, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!